Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Are you looking for something to add flavor and zing to everyday meals? We have the perfect recipe for you. Hi, my name is Laddie and today we will share with you a detailed step-by-step recipe to prepare a delicious pickle which is slightly spicy, a little sour and extremely tasty. Along with adding flavor to a meal, it also aids in digestion and creating appetite. It is packed with essential nutrients, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. And it is a great source of gut-friendly probiotic bacteria. Our recipe for today is delicious lime pickle. Step 1. Preparing the limes. Take 1 kg of limes. We got around 26 limes. Wash and dry the limes properly. Cut the limes into quarters. It is better to use limes with a thin skin as they are less bitter and it also takes less time for the pickle to mature. Limes should be firm and free of any blemishes and discoloration. Remove and discard the lime seeds as this will reduce the bitterness of the pickle. Transfer the lime pieces into a bowl. Slightly squeeze the lime to remove a little juice from each piece. Do not squeeze it completely. Lime juice is ready. Add 3 tablespoons of salt. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Mix well, cover and keep aside for at least 3 hours. The limes are ready. Step 2. Preparing the other ingredients. Take 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of fenugreek or methi seeds. Mustard and fenugreek seeds must be slightly dry roasted. Grind them to a fine powder. Mustard and fenugreek seed powder is ready. Take 3 tablespoons of mustard dal. Mustard dal helps in increasing the volume of the pickle and also adds a nice taste. Take 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing powder, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 2 teaspoons of turmeric or haldi powder, 5 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. This chili powder is less spicy and gives a bright red color. 4 tablespoons of bedgi chili powder, around 20 to 25 curry leaves or curry patta, 3 tablespoons of salt, 1 cup or 250 ml of mustard oil, 1 cup or 250 ml of sunflower oil or regular cooking oil. Step 3. Preparing the lime pickle. On medium-low heat, in an open, thick-bottom pan, add 1 cup or 250 ml of mustard oil. Also add 1 cup or 250 ml of sunflower oil or any other regular cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds. Oil helps to increase the shelf life of the pickle. You can reduce the quantity of oil if you don't need to store the pickle for a longer duration. Once the mustard seeds start to splutter, add the asafoetida or hing powder. Add the mustard dal. Add the curry leaves or curry patta. Add the lime pieces and mix well. Limes are very healthy and rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Limes help in digestion, detoxification, controlling blood pressure, helps in lowering cholesterol and weight. Lime prevents formation of kidney stones and also boosts brain performance. It is extremely beneficial for skin and hair health. Cook for around 10 minutes or until the skin of the limes becomes slightly soft. After 5 minutes, add the mustard and fenugreek powder. Mix everything properly. Add the turmeric or haldi powder. Turn off the heat 10 minutes after adding the limes. Now add the lime juice. Add the Kashmiri chili powder.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Add 2 tablespoons of bedgi chili powder. Mix everything properly. Check for salt and spice and add if required. We added 3 tablespoons of salt and mix well.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
Add the remaining 2 tablespoons of bedgi chili powder. Add the chili powder based on your taste preference. You can increase or reduce the chili powder that you are adding. Let the pickle cool completely at room temperature before storing. Store the pickle in a clean, sterilized, completely dry, airtight glass container. Keep it in a cool, dry place. Let the pickle mature for at least 30 days before consuming. Ensure that there is a layer of oil floating over the pickle always, as it will preserve the pickle better. The pickle can also be kept in the refrigerator after it has matured. Delicious lime pickle is ready. Enjoy this delicious lime pickle with dal, fish curry and rice, parathas, rotis, etc. Just a reminder, although this pickle is tasty and irresistible, kindly restrain yourself and eat it in moderation to derive all the health benefits. Anything in excess is bad for your health.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.